The Atlantis is a cabin for the washing and drying of IBCs, drums, pallets and machine parts. It is the only machine on the market able to wash and dry a bin in 20 minutes without water recirculation, only one detergent and a final rinse with hot purified water. The Atlantis is completely designed in stainless steel and the basic configuration is supplied with one door. The machine can be installed on feet to raise it off the floor or flush to the floor depending on customer requirements. The IBC is manually loaded with a forklift and the door is then closed and completely sealed by means of the inflatable seals fitted to the perimeter of the door. The platform on the lower side of the cabin starts rotating, allowing the complete washing of the IBC. In case of IBCs used in a high containment plant, complete with upper and lower valves, the opening is automatically carried out by the washing station. The telescopic pipe for the internal washing of the IBC is then lowered. In case of standard IBCs with upper lid, the telescopic pipe with washing head, the vertical ramp with jet blade nozzles and lower nozzles start washing the IBC by rotating the cabin platform, thus covering all internal and external surfaces and guaranteeing maximum efficiency. In case of IBCs for high containment, the internal washing is carried out without IBC rotation. One or more detergent can be used to complete the washing cycle. Once the washing cycle is finished and the washing lines drained, the telescopic pipe holding the washing head is retracted. The heating pipe for internal bin drying is then lowered into the IBC. The hot air emanating from the heating pipe and the air jet stream with lateral jet blade airflow completely dry the internal and external part of the bin. The air jet stream is a fast drying system which is fitted on the Atlantis with IBC rotation platform to drastically reduce drying times. The system is based on internal air recirculation, thereby also saving energy. After the drying and cooling phase, the heating pipe is retracted. At the end of the cycle, the seal of the door is deflated, the door is opened and the IBC is ready to be removed from the washing cabin, completely washed and dried. In case of IBCs for high containment, the valves are automatically closed before the removal of the IBC. A self-cleaning and sanitising cycle of both the pipework and the cabin can be performed upon request. It is also possible to wash pallets, drums, components and machine parts inside the Atlantis, positioning them on opposite racks. The upper utility plate connection on top of the cabin is connected to the upper part of the rack to convey water and compressed air through opposite lines to be sprayed by the strategically positioned nozzles. Additionally, the rack is fitted with rotating nozzles for the highly efficient washing of components and machine parts. Once the washing cycle is finished, the compressed air is sprayed by utility plate connection to drain the washing lines and the components. At the end of the operation, the utility connection plate is retracted. The hot air drying phase is then carried out by the air jet stream system. The Atlantis can be designed with automatic IBC loading and unloading systems. In this case, the machine is fitted with an automatic sliding door and a chain conveyor installed in front of the cabin to convey the IBCs directly into and out of the station. As an option, the machine can also be supplied with a double door for pass-through installation to separate dirty and clean areas. Double cabin installations are also available. The infrared system can be supplied when the steam utility is not available. The supply includes an infrared resistor placed on top of the cabin for air heating and a second infrared lamp placed on the telescopic pipe for internal IBC drying.